Hey guys, Emily Muccianti here, and I have a fun, quick video for you today that is going to focus on something that you can do with your intervention groups after you're done with your benchmark testing and you've got a little bit of downtime and you want to have some fun before Christmas. So first, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave me a comment, and be sure to check the show notes below because I'm going to drop some links in there for you to check out. So I have been playing with Chat GPT a little bit, kind of seeing what its parameters and capabilities are as far as writing decodable text. I got this great idea from a client of mine, Nicola, thank you so much, who was creating decodable text using her students' name or something about a topic that was interesting to that student to keep them engaged. And I thought, what a brilliant idea. It gives us so many opportunities. And so I've been playing with that, and that's been a lot of fun. I haven't quite perfected it yet, at least my prompt, so I'm not ready to share that one yet. However, I was deciding this morning, actually, what could we do with this as far as creating readers' theater scripts? If you've ever seen my video, there's a video about writing or using readers' theater as a really fun way to incorporate some repeated reading while developing prosody and accuracy and all of these things. And so this is one of my favorite things to do right before Christmas and at the end of the school year. About a week, maybe two, depending on your time frame, I like to get my kids into groups and work on a reader's theater script. I think it's so much fun. We do a little celebration where we have popcorn and lemonade or hot cocoa, depending on the time of year, and the kids get up and they perform their reader's theaters. But what I was thinking is, what if we could personalize these so that the kids are actually in the scripts themselves? And so I want to show you what Chat GPT was able to spit out for me in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you a couple of things that I did. So the first thing I did is I went into a Google Doc and I started playing with a prompt. And you can see here, I'm creating a document where I can put all kinds of different prompts, but this is the one I was working with right now. Please write an original, funny, holiday-themed story in the format of a reader's theater script text that is appropriate for second and third graders. The script should have 5 parts, 5 readers, include a teacher named Mrs. Muccianti. Keep the script readability under Lexile level 500. Ask me any other questions you need to complete the task. So then what I did is I copied this and I went over to Chat GPT. Now, if you have not created a Chat GPT account, it's super easy, it's free, and it's fantastic. And I dropped this chat or this prompt into the chat. And so you can see here, all I do is go paste, hit enter, and within seconds, it is going to spit out a new script. Now, what I found was really interesting is that each time I dropped this prompt in, the same prompt, a different script came out. Okay, that was kind of a surprise. I thought that was awesome. And so if you notice this one here, this last one that was put in, there's myself, Samantha, Tommy, and Olivia. But in the previous one, I had these other characters with a different storyline. So then all you do is copy this. So let's say you're going to take your whatever script you want, all of them. You are going to then copy it and go back into your Google Doc and paste it without formatting. And then it's going to take all of that shading away. And you can actually then go in and kind of tweak this so that the spacing isn't wonky. It does get a little bit wonky, but you can just, whoops, God, I don't want to misspell things, but I can go in here, clean it up a little bit, and then print it out, and it's a story, and it has me as a character, and each of the kids is in there, and there's this funny holiday theme. So remember, what you can also do is change this prompt to be for different grade levels. You can change the number of parts you want. You can change the Lexile level. You could do whatever you want. If you wanted to do this for a different theme, I just did holiday theme. Let's say you've got another big event coming up and you want it to be a summer theme. You could do whatever you want. I think this is going to be a game changer, and I think it's definitely something that you need to try. So I was just a little too excited to share that with you. This video is short and sweet. I am going to drop that original prompt in the chat below, or not the chat, the show notes below, so that you can copy it, start creating some Google Docs. And I want to encourage you to visit my website, emilymuccianti.com, see all the things I'm doing. Book a discovery call with me. We are going to be opening up some spots for private coaching clients. So if you would like to work with me as a new intervention teacher, I hope you consider that. Have a great time with this. And please, please, I would absolutely be delighted if you would send me pictures or videos. If you use this technique or strategy, I would love to see your kids in action. Please share the fun. I don't get to have that part of it anymore, but I hope this is a good time for you. Leave a comment. If you've got better prompts, do it. We're all here to help each other. Thank you for what you do, and bye for now.